Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect social accounts in VistaCreate. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, go to Account Settings option. Now, make sure that you are selecting the Social Accounts tab from here. You can see 3 different social accounts you can connect to. Simply click on the respective connect button and you will get an interface like this. After that, click on connect button and a new window will appear. Simply type in your login credentials here and click on login button and your social account will be connected. You can also connect a Pinterest. Simply click on this connect button and then click on connect. You will get new window pop up. From here, you can type in the email address and password on this field and click on login button. After that, your social accounts will be connected to your VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.